Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna Grichova. I'm an investment advisor and I communicated with extremely rich people who told me a lot of aspects about their life. I was able to see their reactions to different situations, and because of the fact that I graduated from the top university in my country, I was able to communicate with children from the richest families of my country, and I saw how they behave on a regular basis, and very often they take the way of living this life from their parents, and so we can think about their way of living as their parents' approach to life too. And so today I would like to tell you how successful people make notes. I know that there are a lot of videos in YouTube channel which apps to use, how to do it in a more effective way, how to spend less time and make everything beautiful and something like that. So there are a lot of people who pay too much attention to making notes. And maybe you can explain that. I would tell you that, oh, you should use this app. You should spend like 10 minutes a day or 1 hour a day. And if you do everything correctly, if you make notes in a correct way, then you would become extremely successful and billionaire. It is so naive, and to tell the truth, extremely rich people who are successful don't pay too much attention how they make notes. I really think that the key reason why people become extremely successful is because they are not perfectionists at all, in all aspects. They know their priorities. And I really think that people who pay too much attention to such rituals, they don't focus on really important things. So they try to make something that can look as they are successful and well-organized people, but in reality it is more about procrastination.